Well, let's go into your own business now.
Thank you.
Because we've been talking about the industry all this while.
All right.
But this program is about celebrating businesses. It's about gaining insightful knowledge about the processes that
I must commend your effort for that.
Thank you very much.
You're welcome.
Thank you. We appreciate it. So, what informed your choice of this career? At what point did you decide that it was going to be real estate professionalism? That's the industry you want to play in?
Okay. I started this profession in 2009. I finished my uni in 2008. We started with a family real estate portfolio, just a few number of houses that my father has.
Okay.
Managing them because we have had series of scenarios with the so-called agents. Sometimes they collect rent, they won't even disburse it. And this guy is getting old. He's about 75 years by then. So I said, guy, how long are you going to be calling these guys and chasing them after your home?
Did you study estate management?
In my first degree, no. I had physics and mathematics.
Wow.
Yeah.
Wow.
So I said, what's this guy doing that cannot do better? We just take it as arbitrarily. You know, I'm not doing it for money. So whatever thing I can bring on board is acceptable. Yeah. So I gathered a few of my brothers. We go around, clean this house when they are empty. We advertise it through chalkboard and writing in posters. We took tenants there, show them. When they show interest, we give them photo fee, we collect their back. So I now discovered that I was doing it more better and more professional. You know, whatever you had education to is always better than the guy next door. So then I told myself, why not take a master's degree in this? Because I already have the passion already. The passion is already there. So I said to myself, I'm going to take a master's degree in this, and I'm not going to take it in Nigeria.